those things.
So, we're going into a great discussion. Good morning, Paul O'Beal. Happy birthday to you from Sandy and your kids. This is a discussion. You watch you smile all the time, and this one he's going to love.
Anytime we see bachelor parties in movies, it's always wild. Now, in the real world, would you allow your husband to have one? That's the discussion this morning.
Wait, I'll go keep. No, that's at the first place. Where's the venue?
Where the discussion going to keep or the party?
The party.
Yeah, the discussion going to keep right there.
I mean, what's a bachelor? I wouldn't make him keep one at church. What do you mean by, Yes. Go to church, sit down in church, brother, them and them.
Suppose he's not a church man.
And then him forgot church.
Yeah. Study to show himself
make pastor give him like a straight him. Watch Ian.
Let me ask a question.
Look for me.
What's the difference between a bachelor party and a bachelorette party? And should men want women, should men have a problem with women, their wives to be, who want to have bachelorette parties?
I think it depends on what's going to happen at the party.
Correct.
People tend to
Have you been to a bachelorette party?
Yeah.
Are they raunchy? Okay.
People tend to
Have you been to a bachelor party? Okay. I don't even have to ask, because your face just told me.
I don't know if them invite Marvin. I think Marvin just happened to be at the club, that particular club. And
Harold, have you been to a bachelorette? Well, not a bachelorette, but... Ian, have you been to a bachelor party? How was it?
Well, him lock up him lip them, so like...
I'm not for ask Solji.
Solji?
You see, there's an inherent...
You been to a bachelor party?
How was it, Solji? Yeah, man. Okay. So really and truly, there should be a man on this set for us to ask what really happens, even though we can't generalize that all bachelor parties are the same. But I must admit that when I hear about bachelor party, my first instinct is to say absolutely not, because I have an idea of what they tend to come with based on what I've seen. Yeah. However, if you trust your partner,
sometimes, I don't know, if you trust your partner, if you trust the friends that the partner have to.
No, but you know, sometimes your partner have some friends.
Say, drink, man, drink, man. No, you're too sober, man. Drink.
If your partner is a strong person, he will know when to stop and when to cut it off.
Me no know.
Because I'm sure there are bachelor parties where the friends will get involved in some things that the husbands-to-be will not.
Me no know.
I gotta have some hope that there's gotta be a man out there who have a bag of friends that mean him no good, but he will stand up for himself in the middle of the storm. I gotta know that if Ian and Marvin going out and Marvin is getting married, Ian is gonna say, brethren, drink this, and Marvin gonna say, dude, tomorrow I'm getting married. I need to be in charge of my faculties.
I think what you need to do.
No, you're not single. No, this is not.
Especially if the friend them single. You know, and them come boss, last time you get for drink, nothing, so you have to drink.
But that's the mindset over here now. This is the last day of being single.
That's what I'm good.
But you haven't been single for a while because you're getting married, which means you've been in a relationship. So how you mean you were single? Okay.
Well,
you can't
first of all, find out who and who are there at the party.
They're not going to tell you the truth.
If a certain friend are going there at the party, not gonna work. Not gonna work.
How do you know? He will tell you that the certain friend will not be.
You're going to tell us that the friend not
gonna. Are you going to go and spy?
No, man. Him can't tell me that the friend not gonna do it. You know some of the friend them Simone.
Yes.
When the devil send come.
Yes.
And you know them are going to do it.
But F and E know that you know that the devil are sending them. He's going to tell you that God tell him to don't invite them.
To him.
Right? So he's going to tell you no. Taylor, I know how you feel about Harrow. I would never invite Harrow. No. And Harrow is there at the club from 6 o'clock in the morning, waiting for the 6 o'clock in the evening.
I don't have to invite Harrow, because I know Harrow. I know that when him reach at the club, Harrow goes to me, no, you never invite me, but the party couldn't keep without me. So, no. So first thing, make sure all the men that are going are in a relationship. Why do you do that?
I mean, nothing.
Wait, no. Why do you do that? You call them woman, and you say, do you know there's a bachelor party tonight and Ian is going? That you do, Yeah, man. So if him not care about you, When him read, the man say, Ian,
So it's gonna.
I hear you're taking Marvin to a bachelor party tonight. Hope you don't go on with a foolishness, you know.
So,
Yeah, man.
no, but even then,
Yes.
unless the ladies take it out, and even then, unless you call all the girlfriends and all the girlfriends actually meet the men at the location and destroy the entire affair, unless it doesn't become a bachelor/bachelorette party, you will never know. I mean, them man, you have some man, you know, them dog till them, you're a dog, you're a dog, you will never know
where
what
there's
happens.
a will. Look here, you should have there. Johnny stand up for me and tell people, say, women have a law and order special victims unit.
Tell me.
Because every woman in a relationship is a special victim. These are the men and women
especially
these are their stories. Everybody have a somebody. So you say them go one club as somebody where you know sister cousin. Yeah.
5 degrees of separation.
Judy want me long time, I see you. I choose a land there work at the club there. You know my boyfriend going to be there tonight? Oh my God. I want to surprise him. Take some picture for me now.
I'm scared of her. I don't know what. Give me a high five, girl. Girl, you got to start an agency.
Take some pictures.
I'm scared of her.
I tell them.
Suffice it to say,
Watch
gentlemen.
Marvin face get serious.
Suffice it to say that.
They should have fun, but
within reason.
Be respectful.
Within reason.
Be respectful.
Also, if you usually, and this is a general rule of life, not just relationships.
Marvin over there, of course.
Anything that you do in the darkness, one day, is going to come out like light when you shine. When you shine like a flashlight behind a stove. Sometimes I see cockroach run out. Not in my house, but
I don't think
things that
funny.
You do have a way of, as Dayla said, when you least expect it, revealing themselves.
And then you turn up, you barely reach at the wedding, and when you reach and stand in front of the pastor, you smell like Jerry nephew.
And his cousin.
And you look unkempt, and your eye glaze like you don't even know what you're saying. No, I'm not with that. My rule is, don't do what you wouldn't want somebody else to do to you. So if you're at your bachelor party, and you're about to do something, say to yourself,
what I want
is my wife to be doing this very same thing, and how would it make me feel?
Do unto others. That's the golden rule, children.
From it.
Yes, and a good note on which to end girl talk. We'll take a break. We'll be right back.